Hey there, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of your Vumber dashboard and its features. When you log into your Vumber account, you'll land right on your dashboard, where you can quickly check your recent call activity. At the top, you'll notice a few useful features. The web phone lets you make calls directly from your desktop. Hit connect. Just select the Vumber you want to call from, enter the recipient's number, and hit make call. It works just like a regular phone. You can also set up a call from your cell phone right from the dashboard. Just enter the number you want to call, pick the Vumber you want to display, and enter your own cell phone number. When you hit place call, your phone will ring, and once you answer, the call will connect to the recipient. From this tab, you can also send text straight from the dashboard by clicking Send Text. Now, on the left-hand side, you have a menu where you can access more detailed features. Under Call Activity, you can expand the section to filter calls by type. The same goes for text messages. You can choose to view only specific messages, like received text for example. And from here, you can filter by your Vumber, the recipient's number, or a specific date range. Plus, you can download your call and text logs whenever you need. You'll also find your fax management here, and one of the most important sections, My Numbers. This is where you can add new Vumbers or manage existing ones. Clicking on a number opens up a ton of options, including call forwarding, managing where texts are received, setting business hours, enable fax receipts, enabling call recording, setting up your voicemail greeting, managing call notifications, and blocking unwanted callers. Beyond that, you can customize your account even further. Apply to enable texting in your account, add and manage users, view your profile information, updating your account details, even check all your billing invoices. If you ever need a specific invoice, you can have it emailed to you directly from the screen. That's a quick overview of everything you can do in your Vumber dashboard. If you want more detailed tutorials on any of these features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel and visit our help center. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@vumber.com. Thanks for watching.